Hey, welcome to Planet Mark, and today I've got the brand new song by Ed Sheeran featuring Khalid called Beautiful People of his Ed Sheeran's new collaboration album. This is an awesome song. I'll be going through the verse, pre-chorus, chorus, showing you the chords, breaking it down, the strumming pattern and picking pattern, as well as that little cool lick thing he has thrown in there. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to Planet Mark and hit that bell notification to be told of the next great upload. So the chords that you're going to need are, get that capo on the first fret, of course. So first one is a C7, a G, a D, and an E minor 7 chord. So if you already know how to play those chords, then skip right ahead, or if you don't or just want a quick reminder, I'll be going through them right now. Firstly, as I said before, make sure that capo is on the first fret, or this will not sound as nearly as good. So first 2 strings, 3rd fret, 3rd string, open, 4th string, 2nd fret, and 5th string, 3rd fret. That is a C7 chord. A G chord, literally just get your first 2 fingers and move them up a string. So from the bottom, from the 1st string, 3rd fret, 3rd fret on the 2nd string, open on the 3rd and open on the 4th strings, 5th string, 2nd fret, and 6th string, 3rd fret. A D chord is probably the easiest one that we'll have to play today. 1st string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 4th string, open. And finally is our E7 chord, and that you probably know how to play an E minor chord. That's just your 5th and 4th strings, 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. And play all 6 strings. It also works with your pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret as well. But it's completely up to you. So, the intro slash verse, you just play this twice, or twice for the intro, twice for the verse. Or maybe it's like once or twice for the intro, I don't know. But either way, the verse is definitely twice. It's C7, G, D, D, C7, D, D, and that is for the strumming pattern. It's just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Obviously, you're playing like 2 bars on the D. So 1 bar of C7, 1 bar of G, 2 bars of D. Then we come to the pre-chorus, and that is E minor, G, D, D, E minor 7, G, D, D. And then the chorus is just 2 bars of the first verse again. So that it's like that is my only fear. We become beautiful people. The fashion show, Friday the fashion shows. We become beautiful people. Champagne and they come beautiful people. And like then the post-chorus bit is just the E minor, G, D twice. Yeah, so the post-chorus bit is, that's not who we are, we are not beautiful. That's not who we are, we are not beautiful. That's not who we are, we are not beautiful. So a little like lick thing that he's got going on like in the background is. That bit. So it's first string, 5th fret, second string, 2nd fret to 3rd, then 5th to 7th on the 2nd string. So that's the first bit, first bar. Second bar is for 2nd string, 3rd fret to 5th, 1st string, 2nd fret. I do that because we're going to the 3rd string, 2nd fret, sliding up to the 4th. And do that twice. The final bar is 2nd string, 3rd fret to 5th, 2nd to 3rd. So all together, slowly, is. And then we start the verse, for example. And that's pretty much the end of this lesson. So I hope you really enjoyed it. Like this Ed Sheeran new lesson. We got loads of other Ed Sheeran collaborations like already on like ukulele. If you play ukulele, then definitely go check that out. Any other guitar songs, then definitely support us on Patreon. Like I say, if you've got a song request, and definitely I want to hear it, support us on Patreon. I will give you a shout out. Subscribe for the latest Planet Mark videos, like guitar lesson, ukulele lessons, anything in the charts really. Hope you enjoy this. Ring that bell. Comment as well. Like and share this video. Follow us on Twitter at PlanetMarkVlog or Facebook.com/PlanetMarkVlog. And I'll see you in the next tab. Bye 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 bye.